Day 3. I gave the techs a phone number. Here's the situation. A tech pulls up to a job. It's a name they don't recognize, an address they've maybe been to once, 2 years ago. They don't remember what equipment's inside. They don't know what filters it takes. They don't know if there's a door code to get into the building. And they definitely don't remember who was there last or what they found. All of that information exists. It's in the system. But nobody's going to pull over, log into the office software, and dig through old service records on their phone. So I built something simple, a phone number. The tech sends a text, a customer name, an address, a job number, whatever they've got. A few seconds later, they get back everything we know. Equipment on site, filter sizes, last 3 visits, who was there, what they found, door codes, gate codes, access notes. One real example. A tech texts a customer name, comes back. 2 systems. Last visit was 4 months ago. Different tech handled it, found a cracked heat exchanger, recommended replacement, customer declined. Now the tech walking in today knows exactly where things stand, without making a single phone call. Another one. Commercial building, dozens of units. Tech texts the street address, gets back the specific unit history for that location. What's been serviced, what's been flagged, which filters to bring. No guessing, no showing up with the wrong parts. It also handles scheduling. What's on the board tomorrow comes back with the full rundown. Who's going where, what time, what the job is. Useful for the guys who want to plan their morning before they leave the house. The whole thing runs through the company's existing data. No new app to install, no login to remember, just a text message and an answer. It's not flashy, but when a tech can walk into any job with full context in their pocket, fewer things get missed.